my name is Kateryna Gonchar and today I will show you how to make beautiful design with PlastiGel by Magnetic. For today's work we will need PlastiGel red, PlastiGel green, PlastiGel yellow and PlastiGel white, black gel polish, top coat Magic Shine, or you can use any other top coat, red color concentrate, black liner gel, finishing wipe to clean our brush, silicone tool for PlastiGel, brush number 3 from New Detailer set, Ultra Designer brush and metallic spatula. I already prepared product for my design. I mixed colors of PlastiGel in between, and you need to see when you work, if it's necessary you can add a little bit of top coat inside of your PlastiGel to make it softer if you want to have a flat design. Now I will use silicone tool to take a ball from paper palette and put it on the nail. And now with brush I make the shape of petal. Now I will do flat design. I make it flat, the petal completely flat from one side, because another petal will go over it. And I need to precure this petal, and I will need a little bit of green to make a central part. And I will cure it. Procuring time just few seconds. And now we will do leaves. With dry brush you can pull up a little bit part of your leaves. If petals or leaves don't touch each other, it's not necessary to procure elements. And one more here. Then if it's necessary to do, we can put light yellow over part of our leaves, light yellow PlastiGel, to show some light effect. If you want, you also can add the light elements over the flower. With black liner gel I will put some shadows over my design. Now I will remove sticky layer, because black gel have sticky layer and we don't want to have it on our nail. PlastiGel don't have sticky layer. Thank you for your attention. I hope you liked this design. Have a nice day.